I'm so flipping pissed off. Oh, look what's on my street. Let me show you. Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Subscribe and help a girl out because guess what? Subscription is free. So you know what? Join the family. Thank you.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Well, today is Saturday, another week. Just come from work. Work was okay. The weather is not okay because God knows it's raining and it's a bit chilly, but working in the city again, it's a demonstration, so I got the bus. All the buses were on diversion, but you got to do what you got to do. So look, I've signed my new contract. So in retail, I'm gonna do what's my Wednesday? No, sorry, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I used to do only Saturdays. Now I got more hours, which is a blessing because people say, oh, why not school and retail? School, because I do supply, because it goes to me, yeah? To me, there's a logic to this, yeah? I'm studying, so I can't do anything on a Tuesday, apart from going shopping in the day, right? And with supply, sometimes you'll get work, sometimes not. So with this contract that I get more hours, it's like it's a set in stone. So my thing is more organized because I like stuff organized and what I'm gonna do. Yes, doing this get me the supply work, it gets me out of my comfort zone that I've got to be a little bit more spontaneous and like jump to this, jump to that, and it's not really set. I've got to go this place, that place, and then I've got to get used to people and the kids. But with this now, it's more like, yes, it's structured, and I like things very structured and in place. So yeah, so I got more hours, but guess what? The girls are back on probation. So I've got to be like extra nice to pass my probation, but it's gonna work out. I'm sure it is. But Lord, work was so crazy today because in the city it gets so busy. This man there, he came in the shop and he asked me for something and I'm like, this man sound Caribbean, but you know what? Let me just answer the man and whatever. So he went away and he was asking another colleague for something. But I didn't see that until later he came back to me. And then he said to me, excuse me, do you have children, Marina? And I'm like, sorry? He said, Marina. Then I said, oh, are you Caribbean? He said, yeah, my family is from Jamaica, but I was born here. I'm like, oh, me too. And I said, oh, because you used the word marina, people here don't really understand marina, but I do. You have to say vest and they will understand what you're talking. Anyway, I show you where it was. Then my friend came over and said, Janet, you see that man where you talking to, that you was talking to? What was he saying? I said, oh, he was speaking a Jamaican language. He said Marina, but it really means best. It was. She laughed. She said, Marina, she said, I was looking at the man and the man said, I'm sorry, you don't understand what I'm saying, is it? That was so funny. But we have our different words. It's the same word. Some of them, potato, we say it different. But it's the same thing. Anyway, so I'm going to do some cooking, some washing, and I'm going to edit my vlog. The vlog that should go out maybe Sunday or Monday. Let's see. Because I'm not too tired today. I did get a bit of rest. But I'll check in maybe later or tomorrow. Morning, guys. Wagwan. It's the hustle bustle of the Monday morning, where everyone is coming out, going to work. How was your weekend? Mine was like chill, low-key, the usual thing. Stay home, wash, cook and clean. Listen, don't face by the sunshine. It's a sunny day, but it's cold, hence the coat. Yeah. So literally, after making that little clip about walking and going to work, now unfortunately I'm going back home. Something said I should check my phone. When I check my phone, the bloody agency texts me and canceled the job. And this is why agency is getting on top of my nerves. And they have the flipping cheek to tell me that they're gonna book me for another job. Don't text my phone, don't call my phone, because guess what? You mash up my day, and this girl ain't gonna answer or reply because I won't be showing up. So now I'm just gonna go back home and be productive, do something, go shopping or something, because I need to do some shopping. But I've got plans to go Costco tomorrow anyway, so let me see what I'm going to do for my day, because guess what, I won't be going to no school today, trust me. Luckily I didn't waste any bus fare, or I didn't waste any petrol for driving, because this never happened to me before. And you know what, they said everything is for a purpose, but I'm so mad. They pissed me off this morning, and it takes a lot to piss me off. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm in a better mood now, but people shouldn't. I hate people playing with my time plus my money as well. So you know what, I went home, I cooled down for a bit and had something to eat, and then I decided because tomorrow I had plans to go to Costco, I'm like, why not go today and just utilize the time so that tomorrow I'm not that super busy. So now I'm just heading off to Costco to get my monthly supply of water and all those things, because this girl shop on in bulk for budget purposes and time wise. Plus my Costco card is gonna be expired in April, so why not use it for May, so that if I don't go in April or go in June, then because I'm on someone's card, so when that someone pays for it, I don't know when, then it's up and running. So why not just utilize it before the month finish? So I'm off on my long drive to Costco. Pray for me so that I'll be safe. So maybe I'll vlog a bit in Costco, but Costco is boring. You've seen it over and over again, so who knows. Let's see. See you later. Hey, so today was so productive. So I'm okay, but I got some stuff from Shein. I've got another wig. I'm gonna review it. My friend, she recommended this wig, so and I got these chunky necklace. So I've got that one and the silver. And I got some silver rings as well. They were good price. And I got these things. Let me open it. It's like this. It comes with a plastic back. And you stuck it, I think. And then slide it on. And it's to keep your broom or your mops into position on the wall or on a door. So my if you see my broom and my mops, they're all over the place. So this would be so good for me. So it's 4 in a pack, and I got 2 packs, so that if this one is damaged, then I have another backup. And that is my little haul from Shein. Let me show you how much water I've got. Look, that stack of water there and there, and I've got more stuff that I got from Costco earlier. So I won't be going to Costco for a while. The lighting, oh yeah, the lighting is back now. So yeah, that is my little Costco trip. Now I'm gonna make some smoothie. I've got my natural yogurt, my coconut water, and I've got some, I might put this in, might not, some oats and some pineapple I had, and some fruits here. So I'm gonna make my smoothie. I've been so lazy, I've been buying it from the shop. Bit lazy, but now today I've decided to make it, so that's what I'm gonna do. I've got time on my hands, so why not utilize it? Hey, I'm not fuming again. I'm good now. So let me take off this clothes and then get to work. Yum. So guess what? I love these, you know. These are so cute. Shein better come and sponsor me some of these stuff. Anyway. Oh, I got some pimple patches as well. This is how Shein pimple patch comes. I've never seen it like this. I've always seen it in a box, but I hope it works. Anyway, I'll see you later. Morning, guys. So this is another day. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was so sunny, but look behind me. Look at the sky. It's so great today. This is British weather for you. So as you can see, I'm not working today because no job came in. I guess it's good for the body to rest, but it's not good for my mother flipping pocket because I'm not making anything. So, but what what can I say? I'm going for a stroll. I'm going to the shops, but I'm walking as usual, getting my steps in. So I'm gonna go through the park and get all the good sceneries. Might show you a bit. And look, I'm rocking my, oh my god, my battery's gonna die. I'm rocking my natural hair. All you girlies on my channel that does natural hair, give me the tips, you know, because I need my hair to grow. So give me the tips on what you use and what I can buy. And what, is there any natural hair sponsor? Come on, just hook a girl up. Oh, my battery is about to die.
on, baby. Hercules has spoken. Come on then. Hercules. Go with Katie, go on. Go on. You don't know what to do. Come on. Come here. Go with mummy. Go on. He's over there. Go on. Come on then. He's alright. He's alright. I'll look after him. I'm going to do 3-minute walk.
Yeah, I was rudely interrupted by this boy. Anyway, it's Thursday. As I said, my battery died yesterday. But you know, I went to the fish market. So that was that. So today I'm getting ready to go to my retail job. Today's Thursday. So you know, my new contract starts today. I'm so excited because this week it started off so bad. I thought it was gonna be great, but you know what? It's unpredictable like this weather in England, because you know what, today is thunderstorm. It was hot Tuesday when I went to the market with my friend. Wednesday, that was yesterday, it was cloudy. Today it's thunderstorm. Unpredictable, just like my life. Anyway, should I take my camera? I don't know, but I'll see you.
Cold War veterans and military sources have told Sky News that the UK is increasingly vulnerable to the threat of missile and drone attacks after decades of cost-saving measures. Well, in a moment, we'll hear what one of America's most senior retired generals thinks of the British Armed Forces. But first, our Security and Defence Secretary, Deborah Haynes, has the story.
Putting Britain's Cold War air defences to the test. The radar box on an enemy aircraft.
Got free to fire now. You press the fire button. Next thing you'll see is the warhead going off. That's the target. Disappearing. You killed it.
This veteran talks through the simulated missile strike at a museum in Norwich. The Bloodhound system was taken out of service after the Cold War.
See, it's got all sorts of.
But there's a new debate about how to protect Britain's skies as old threats from Russia return. With a growing need to rebuild the UK's air defences, we've mapped out some of our most critical sites. Let's start with the national government in London and the 3 regional administrations. Then there's the UK's spy agencies and military intelligence. So far, so manageable. But what if you add army, navy and air force bases? Then throw in ports. What about airports? There's also train stations. And not forgetting power stations, even wind farms. The infrastructure that needs protecting is vast. And this is only a snapshot.
So now after work I go. Who is so OCD like me? I've got 3 bags, right? I've got 1 bag for work. That's the retail job. Another bag here for my teaching job. And oh my god, hold on. And back at this side, I've got one more bag for my class. I don't know. I know why. Because everything has to be separate for me. So it's easy access. So I don't miss anything. The only thing I've got to transfer over is my wallet. That's it. Because in each bag's got an umbrella as well. So, welcome to my world. It's a bit crazy for you, but it's okay for me. Because I like it to be organized. Although I'm trying to come out of my shell, but that's me anyway. See you on the road. I forgot working in the city can be a nightmare. So my bus stopped off the journey. Now have to make half the journey on foot. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. And if I knew this, I would have left home on time. Now I'm rushing because guess what? This girl is still on probation. Back on probation. Okay. Hey guys, what's poppin'? Well, today is Friday. Yay. Whatever. Anyway, my Friday this week is so different because I hope my lighting is okay. Because no more swimming for me. Life has changed. Yes, it has. I hope it's changed. And it's for the better. So, not to worry. But guess what? I supposed to lose about 2 pounds, 3, 4, even 4 this week. Because the amount of walking I do. Working in the city, I forgot. Oh, it can be hectic because first of all, there's demonstration. Then there is, I think I video a little bit because they're doing road work. So, you know, the buses are only going off the journey. And then I have to trot it the next half. But, you know, this girl is used to her walking. And, oh my god, but my legs are so tired. But I made it to Friday. So today is Friday. Just finished my shift. And you know how it goes. So Monday is bank holiday, you know. Every time I work so hard, so every time I buy something, I said I treat myself, but I'm always treating myself. Whoever buys something and you feel so guilty, that you say, oh, this is treating myself. Anyway, this is not bought. I got some from H&M. I got some hangers. I've got blouses, t-shirt, loads of hangers. And this, listen, why should I buy a hanger when I can get it for free? Not me, but this week, I think I show you some purchase from Amazon. But these are from my trusty Primark. Some nice earrings to go with my necklace. And I bought this as well. I hope you can see. First of all, before I show you that, and these I bought, they were on sale, so don't worry, this girl didn't spend a big buck. So I bought this bag because I love the color. So that's my purchase, my treat for the day. And I bought this as well. It's a, as you can see, it's a nursing pillow. And guess what? This girl is not pregnant, okay? I'm too old for that. It's not pregnant. So what I bought this for is for my neck, for my back, and in between my legs, so that I can sleep comfortable. So No pregnancy around here. Oh no, 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 no. Anyway, I'm finished with my starting to. I know I'm used to going to this place on in the weekdays, but it's so different now because I feel a part of the team and not a weekend staff. So that's the difference about it. So tomorrow is another new set of friends, but I'm used to those. So those are my weekend friends. So I'll see them because I'm still working on a Friday. And Monday is, sorry, not Friday, Saturday. And Monday is bank holiday. So we all gonna be at work for bank holiday. So there's no excitement for me. So I need to go have a little drink somewhere or eat. But you know what? I'll find time to do that because they said hard work and no play makes Jill or Janet a dull person. I can't even remember the saying. Anyway, you know what? Let me go have a bath, find something to eat, and then ready for bed. My favorite show is finished, so no more Marriage at First Sight. That is kanaput. That is done. I'm so disappointed. I need to find something else to binge watch. Anyway, I'm gonna close this vlog because there's nothing really exciting. It's just about work, chatting about work. So I'm gonna close this vlog here and then start a new one like tomorrow, Saturday. So if you reach this far watching my vlog, thanks for watching, and remember to leave a comment and press the like button. And you know what, just comment and tell me what you'd want next because I'm trying. Nah, I'm joking. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and do the thing and subscribe.